Welcome back to another trade recap. I know it's been a while. It's been, 11 days since I posted my last trade recap, but there is a good reason for that, and that is simply because I have not taken any trades recently in the last 11 days. I missed one really good setup, and then another trade that I took was just a break-even trade, and there wasn't really much to go over. And then finally today we got a setup, which I took and made a little under 6K across all 5 Express accounts. I got a lot of people saying, or not a lot of people, but I got a few people saying that I've been inspect elementing my P&L just because I don't show the screen and I only just show this right here. But I don't think you can inspect element this, can you? Just addressing the suspicions right here. You can inspect element this, all right? On top of that, I show my payouts. I show all the trades that I take. It's all documented on YouTube, in my Discord, right? Literally all my trades are documented in my Discord. So I really don't know what else you want to ask for. Like what else is there to show? The only reason why I show like cropped screenshots like this is just it's easier for me and I don't have to pull this up every single time. I literally have some trade recaps where I start off the video just showing my top step screen, but I just find it easier to just show this and then I'm able to chart on TradingView as well. But yeah, I mean, payouts don't lie, P&L doesn't lie, so it is what it is, bro. It is what it is. You just move on. But I just had to address that really quick. Now, let's move on to the actual trade. All right, so today was FOMC day. I think last month we also took a trade on FOMC, which is kind of crazy because FOMC is pretty ass. FOMC is not the best, all right? So going into the day, we are pretty choppy. There really wasn't anything clear on the higher time frame. So I really was not targeting much, except we did have one actual target, which was, if we go a little bit farther, I think we have data high somewhere. Data high, yeah, right here. Okay, we have data high right here. So there was a red folder news release at 8:30. And this was the initial target, and then we also had London lows as well. So I was kind of looking for price to go in any direction because the higher time frame was choppy and there weren't really any fair value gaps presented, so I don't really know where price was going. Initially I was thinking bearish, right, just due to the fact that we are in bearish structure. But if we go to market replay right here, we see 9:30. Or actually, let me also pull up ES right here really quick. And then show you, where is this? Basically, right here, around this area right here. Let me go back right here. Okay. Right, so 9:30 open comes in, we dump lower, and NQ takes out London lows, and ES doesn't. So ES makes equal lows with London low, and NQ does not, right? So there is a nice SMT right here. We have a huge SMT with ES and NQ at this low, and then immediately we get a quick flip out of that sweep of London low right here, and then we get a 1 minute inverse, clean displacement. There's no hesitation. So I enter over here with 3 contracts, and then I have my stop at the low of a 30-second fair value gap that was presented. So there was a 30-second fair value gap in this move up. I put it at the low of the fair value gap, and then my take profit was at the data highs right here, right? So it's like a quick one-to-one trade. I went in with 3 contracts right here. 3 contracts, boom. Okay, that was with ES, great. 3 contracts, stop here. So I was risking, my usual risk, 1 to 1.5K, and then TP at data highs. So play out the trade, boom, literally just hits in one candle, bro. I went break even as soon as we took out this internal high, clean displacement, and basically these are the type of trades that I want to see, right? This is the type of reactions that I want to see. If I'm playing off of displacement, I want to see more displacement candles follow. So this trade literally lasted me 1 minute. So I made 6K in 1 minute. 1 whole minute, bro. 60 seconds. So yeah, pretty quick day. Like literally my work day was what, 5 minutes long. So pretty neat. Pretty simple trade, just a quick flip, playing off displacement, clean inverse. Just got off for the day, and yeah, just did some work. That's basically it, man. If you guys aren't already in the Discord, I'll leave it in the description below. I have all my trades posted, literally all of my trades posted right here, and I literally have not lost a trade in basically 3 months, bro. It's about to be 3 months. I don't want to jinx it just yet, since the last time I lost was June 3rd, and in a couple of days it'll be August 3rd. So that will put me at exactly 3 months of me not losing a trade, which is kind of crazy. And it kind of shows how important it is to have a low trade frequency and prioritizing quality over quantity, bro. I promise you, you will make way more money if you prioritize the best setups and you're able to block out the worst setups, right? The setups that look good, but they are not the best. So it's really important to just block out the noise. Block out the noise because you know your edge, you know your own strategy, and if you have people that are telling you, oh look, bro, I took this many trades in this week, well, they're not trading your strategy. They don't know your edge. They have their own edge, and they're able to execute more often, right? But then again, right, there's a reason why I have an 86% win rate, and some people, they have a lower win rate, right? It's because I'm taking high quality trades and I'm reaping the rewards of it. That's literally all there is to it. Yeah, but that's basically it for this trade recap. I will see you guys in the next video. I got a new camera. I got the Osmo Pocket 3, so we're gonna get a little bit more quality videos, quality content for the psychology videos or any other sort of video. But yeah, see you guys in the next one.